There are some people who live in a dream world.
And there are some who face reality.
There are those who turn one into the other.
And that's what we do at work.
Making dreams a reality is every event manager's job.
We welcome you to this online course on event management and planning.
I, Meher Sarid, India's first wedding event planner, along with my protege, Riya Malwai, will be deep diving into event management and planning to ensure that once you complete this course, you are either equipped to set up your own company or join any leading event management company in India or abroad.
Not only will you get an overview of the event industry and the skill sets you need to be successful, but you will also learn about various types of events, both social and corporate.
I'm very happy to share my personal experiences with you, and I will give you secret tips for those checklists that you need, show you real-life walkthroughs from venues to themes and concepts, as well as teaching you how to measure your own success.
From creating mood boards and design boards on the creative side to making event plans with a complete run-up from 6 months to the day of the event.
We will teach you how to promote events, manage event logistics, as well as managing your clients.
Learn all about budgets and the art of negotiations, making events a win-win for both you and your clients.
So enjoy this ride into the stressful yet extremely rewarding and satisfying world of event management. Hello friends, and welcome to this crazy, exciting, maddening and addictive world of events. In today's times, events is a full-fledged industry which is growing and pans into several different kinds of portfolios in terms of a career. To give you a little background about me, I am Meher Sarid and I am recognized as India's first wedding planner. My journey in events started from the social and wedding space. For the events industry, weddings are really the largest revenue maker. It's become so niche and bigger space that it attracts interior designers, jewelry designers and fashion designers who want to do wedding design as an add-on addition to their own businesses or careers. Rohit Bal, JJ Valaya, Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla, these are all fashion stalwarts who are also designing wedding decor. The whole wedding space has hotted up because of the kind of money that people spend on weddings, and that's extremely high. It's what every Indian family saves for from the time their child is born. So this event is really the largest event in any family. I'm lucky that I'm one of the first people who developed this industry for the country, for which the Government of India has bestowed an award on me and has recognized me as the person who converted the fragments of these businesses into one huge industry. The event space was completely nascent when I got into managing them in 1989, though the seed of decor was planted when I was in school. At that time, there was no existing business such as event management. For any company who was doing an event, different staff were given tasks and they would do different things, but there was no one person who would manage the entire chain of tasks that required to be complete as an event. There would be a tent house person, a lighting supplier, a florist, and all these people would come together to create things that were required and be instructed by different people. At times, multiple instructions from different people would create chaos. Corporates were finding it difficult to relay their requirements when it came to having an event. And they had to use most of their managers within the organization to take on different tasks. One managed the catering, another managed the beverage, another one looked after the decorations, someone looked after the stage, someone looked after lighting. This would also mean that each manager of that company would have to leave their original jobs that they did for the company and concentrate on the event that they had on hand. And thus, business would take a negative impact during the days of the event. Similarly, in weddings and social events, the family came together. The family came together to organize that event. The mama of that family looked after one thing, the chacha looked after another thing, the mommy looked after something else. And families would do weddings together in the earlier times. Back then, it was either Bollywood set production houses or advertising companies who used to partially contribute towards design and coordinate event work that was required in the industry. This is how the birth of production houses for events happened.